Okay. God, I was hoping this was going to be smaller. You know, it's the same size. I think I got this at the cheap rate now. I guess it's okay. Okay, this is the case with the Blu DeTiger bait. That's the signature case. Oh, this is a Fender one, but I think it's Chinese Fender. This is gold. The other one has stripes everywhere. They didn't lock it. Oh yeah, that's Fender.
Where's the guitar?
They forgot it. No, but that's Fender. Yeah, it's a lot thinner. It's like an inch thinner and smaller, so it takes up less space. And you're not supposed to open for 24 hours, so it sat here for like 24 hours, a little over 24 hours. Gotta make sure there's no rainwater in it. See, there was a munch there and a munch here. Hopefully it's okay. It was raining. There it is. They give you candy, man. They give you candy on every guitar. Ah, sweet. And this went through their 55-point inspection accordingly. I guess it did. We'll find out and see what falls off. And when I ordered this, it was supposed to be made in Mexico. And they had to change it to a different place. It took so long. Now it's from a tropical island close to the Philippines. Can't pull it out. Wow, let's see. Oh, it's in a case. That's no fair. Probably have to put it any type of. Wow, well, see, the other one didn't have, all my other ones never had cases of it. I guess that helps a lot. I don't have to do all that shipping, I guess. I mean, all that packing with cardboard. This is her case that she put in with it. Ooh, nice zippers. This is Blu DeTiger signature base. Took her 3 years to design it. And it took me 3 months to get it on back order. Oh, wow, that looks pretty cool. Look at that pick. I guess that's how it works. Hold it right there. Stand up like a real case. Wow. Holy shit. It does feel a little bit lighter than my other bases. But man, let me flip this case over so I think I'll get the case. What? Oh. That is pretty shiny. That's her right there. Blu DeTiger. When she was 17, I guess. Nice. Oh, there's a signature right there. Blu DeTiger. Looking at these things. My other Fender is different. This neck's different too. That's a 1966. Ow. That in there. I get away from those buckles. Oh, it fits in there. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, nice fit. Oh yeah, it says not Mexico. Oh, 2-year warranty. This is the warranty, 2-year conference. Oh right. Had the other one. I didn't even. Yeah, see, it's just like the other one. The other one there, I got the same thing. Wow, look at all that. Hey, this is active or passive. I got to put a 9-volt battery in it. All those, hopefully they all work. Turn it over, see what it looks like. Oh wow. Look at that. It has it on the side. All mine go to the top, and all the P bases and everything. This goes up from the side. So you can't rip it out? Yeah, supposedly. And it's got fast fretting satin finish. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. And that's our picture. Lasered on. Oh, I think it takes 2 batteries. I'm not sure. I just hope I have 2. I have 1. If I got a strap for it, I got to put it on. I already bought. I bought one up for my P bass and for all of them using them all. I'm just gonna check that neck. I know they checked it, but I'm gonna check it too. I think that's it. It looked pretty flat. Gotta get a flashlight and shine it under it. I gotta get a flashlight. Maybe there you look, I thought. Let me try it this way. Looks pretty good. No, it looks like I see lots of... Anyways, my other ones are really straight, so that's 2. But, what is that? I guess they didn't send a wrench for... I don't want to tighten it, but should be one in there. Somebody didn't just put it in the deal. Keep all these names. Put these all in here, I guess. There's the keys, which you never use. These are different than what she's using. This is the 100s half rounds. She's using a 106 here, I guess. But I don't know what that is. Your battery thinks. 18 volts in. Takes 2.
like this one, the same way.
Next to the switch.
Next to the switch, yeah. No, 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 turn it up. I hit the switch.
It's not going on.
Yeah, put it up to 100.